Hey guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing one of my number one Etsy sales secrets. So a lot of the times when people create products on Etsy and listings on Etsy, what they do is they think of something that they want to sell and they post it and they sell it. Well, I actually have a little different approach that is kind of a secret. I have never shared it and I'll share it now. To allow me to make more money. What I actually do is I think of something that can make me potentially money, right? I think of something that I could sell. But what I do is I validate it by checking if the whole entire system can make me money, and this is how I do it. So here's an example of a wood stove, right? I search for wood stoves on Etsy, and we get a whole bunch of different things that pop up, okay? And what I want to do is, and this is an example, is I want to know how lively is this niche, is this category. And I represent each niche by a certain keyword, okay? So what I do is I take the product, the first product, let's just say it's this one, and I'll do, this with the other products as well. And I want to see essentially if the niche is already making money. Are the consumers, are the sellers in this niche already making sales? And if they are, that means I could jump in and I can get a piece of the pie. And the way I do this is I'll take the link of the product, right? I won't distract myself by reading any of this kind of stuff right here. I'll just take the link, go to my sales software here, my Sales Samurai software, and I'll click search, okay? And basically, guys, if you want to try this product as well yourself, or this software, what you could do is you can, and as this is searching, what you could do is you can click the link in the description. We got free training on this software. Let me go ahead and refresh this here. We got free training on the software. We got, here it is. The data's here. I pasted in the wrong one. But we got free training on the software, free videos on the software, free guides, and on top of that, you get a free trial. And if you decide to actually want to use this software, and I'll kind of show you what the benefit behind it is you guys could use Autopilot Passive Income as the discount code. I'll leave the link in the description for all this information, so you can get 20% off the tool every month. The tool is normally $9.99 a month, but you get 20% off. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in here. The tool, right, will show the name of the product, right, the title based on the link. But what it will do is it will extrapolate all the data that me and you and regular consumers don't get to see on this page. Why? Because the tool is built off of API. API means it's how software languages talk to each other. So this tool gets back-end data, accurate data, to what Etsy is actually acquiring. Right? So here we can see the exact data for every little aspect about the tool. Now this stuff is important, and I'll come to this later, but the most important stuff is right here. I want to see the monthly views on the product. I want to see how much attention the product is getting. I want to know how many likes it's getting, how many views it got. Okay, I want to know all this information. I want to know how long it's been on the marketplace for, right? When was it last modified? The different tags that they're using, okay? I want to know the click-through rate for each of these tags. The reason why I say that is because based on the click-through rate, I'll know what tags are going to be most optimal for me, right? If I'm selling a product that's exactly competing to this style, then I know what my game plan is, right? So this product, and this product, they're all very similar, right? Of course, they're designed differently and things like that, but what I could do is I can get smart with it, and I can take this data, extrapolate on it, learn on it, right? Then I could go over here and paste the next link for the next product, and I could do the exact same thing. I can see when the product was added, how long ago it was added, how much views it's getting. You can see this product here is getting 28,000 views, and it's only been on the marketplace for 107 days. That's insane, okay? 107 days. That's like a little bit more than 3 months. I get to see here the different keywords. Now, what I could see here is this is drastically more traffic than the first one. But notice the first one is what pops up first, right? And I could see here the different tags that it's ranking for. I could see the click-through rate that it's ranking for. This is a big deal, very, very big deal. The reason why it is because, like I said, I can take this data and put it into my own listing so I can make more money by realizing if the category, if the niche, if the main keyword is actually profitable or not. See, a lot of people do it the opposite way. A lot of people think of a product they want to sell and they just put it up and hope that it gets traffic, hopes that it gets sales. But not every product you want to waste time doing that with, right? We can all agree that not every product is 100% profitable, right? And I'll do this one more time with the last one here. I'll go ahead and grab the link, and I'll go ahead and paste it right here and hit search, okay? And what it's doing is it's acquiring more data. This one is getting 900 monthly views, and it's been up on the market for 2,563 days. Now, I could say that this product is maybe getting a little bit less sales, maybe because of the way that it looks, as opposed to a product like this, right? The glass front, it's a little bit more creative, or even this one, right? So this is going to give me more data even on my product. How can I improve my actual product, right? And this is why people in Etsy say the image that you're selling with, right? The front image is a big deal. Okay, I'm assuming this product hasn't gotten that many sales. I could be wrong, but because of the hefty price that it is, right? If we look at this keyword here, we got a product for $390, $186, $189, or $190, and then we have almost $500. I want to see the data behind this, and just for fun, I like to actually look at data for these products because the rest of the competition, they don't get access to this data, right? And so I can look and I can see, okay, this product is getting 3,000 monthly views, right? More than the other one. So it's getting more than this one right here. But, just something to be aware of, the amount of likes, right? And so based on all this data, not only the tags, the click-through rate, right? The estimated search volume for each tag, I can know what's the best tags for me? What can I place based on the product that I'm selling? And I'm going to use my own logic and intuition to recognize, okay, how can I price my product based on the competition? Because pricing has to do with it, right? So if I'm selling, let's say I'm selling a product like this, okay? I wouldn't want to charge a price that is equal to these products, because if I'm charging a product like this, I can go a little more premium. Now, what I would do is probably want to undercut this price so I can win, but I wouldn't want to go this low, right? And I get all this data. I accumulate all this data through this tool. Now, like I said, this tool, the link will be in the description. I'll have a landing page where you guys get access to free videos, access to the coupon code, access to everything you need within this software to learn how it works, and videos, and more videos will be coming soon. And for me, you guys know, I'm getting into Etsy real heavy now. And something that I'm doing is I'm taking a smarter approach, right? I'm essentially, you know how they say it takes money to make money? Well, this is one of those aspects where I can invest $10 a month, $8 a month, whatever the cost is for the software, which it is $10, but you guys can use my discount code to get 20% off to essentially use it to make more money. And instead of me creating listings of things that won't sell on Etsy and won't ever get any attention, I can create thousands of dollars in sales by knowing exactly what niches are competitive. And essentially, this is my little secret, because if you think about it, on Etsy, there's hundreds of thousands of sellers. Etsy is a huge platform, but why does it seem like certain listings are the ones who are at the top always making money? Well, this is why, right? Probably those sellers are doing things similar where they do the back-end research, and for us, it's really not that much work. It's just a click of one button to figure out, okay, how can we do this to make more money, and how we can do it very easily. So this is what I've been doing. I figured I'd share it. And like I said, if you want to learn more information, not only on this tool, but there are free videos in the link in the description. You can click on it, and it'll have some more Etsy videos, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Bye.